Kanigade ka darshan Meghalaya, but ni priang snobhai pi baro shakaniga tup kubor mataga janmit. Shwaban pai shaki kubor ki babanya ngin ya petchwai ki mat bakongsan. Shakjet u omberla sa shisin kum ulampang kaying dorbar Lok Sabha. Yo kasokar jela arspa klur tingka na kabenta ki kampenhe bat pinhasurok. Mahamurakam sangma persya ya ka jingpen kela ya ka job reservation policy. Rakhe ke jela Meghalaya ya ka International Day ban persya ya ka jingdi drug bat ka project dream. Bat pen I nuksa ka West Giant Hills da ka jingdon jongki nongshna sinsar ka baduna ya ka boryo. Ki kubor ki babnya. U MP barangba kaseng BJP u Om Birla ula syajit sa shisien kum ulampang jong ka yeng dorbar Lok Sabha. Ula syajit da ka voice vote. Namarba ka liang persya ka bala penyeng da u MP kaseng Kongres u K Suresh na kabenta ketika pos Kim Shamlapan ya ka vote ha ka yeng. Haba ai kublay ya uberla hakane ke election u menteri rangba do ke ri u Narendra Modi ula ong ba hakane ke sngi lashna ya ka khana pateng da ka jing syajit biang jong umberla kum ulang lampang hakasien ka baar. Ula ong ba ki khmi ya ki jinglam lenti ke jong u ha ki sansnem ki banwan ha ka yeng dorbar. Ka nong tau an ka bana saipung sutengah constituency ka East Giant Hills ka Santa Mary Shilla kalaya thu syakilat pathai kubor ba ka sorkar jilla kalayo arspa klur tingka na kabenta ki kampenhe bat penbahasurok. Haba penpau ya ke jing sngokia halor ke jinglong jingman jong ka surok NH6 ha East Giant Hills ikong shilla ila pensngo ba ka surok kala jot lapra nakadaw ke jingle bom sutnyo bat ke jing bom maramot labun snem minta. Ka jing slap jor ka nang penjujo julor shu ya ka jinglong ki surok bat penlong yaki ki jaka langkti ki bamla ban yat ban yeng bat ki bakta pat ya ka let kawan bat ki babu jing eru ya ki kali red bat ki kali kit nongpang.
Deputy CM also has taken at that time before the monsoon happened, before the sanction happened. He had gone by himself to Delhi. He had spoken to our union minister in India, and they have given also the sanction of 200 crores. And now it's like, after everything is done and what has been taken up, we are just waiting that the rain will stop and the work will go on. And of course, the contractor has to really work hard to finish this road because this is the connectivity to many states.
Udkhot jong cabinet but unong yalam kaseng NPP urakam sangma hinin kesngi uloong ba kanu ke jingpen kelai ya ke reservation policy ban thungkam kanwanra ya ke jingtok kit benya ka perking bha ha ka liang jong ka an. Da ka bakadaw halor ka jing bishar jong ka yeng bishar Supreme Court ha usnem syajar kandai spa kandai puar halor ka jing bha sanpho na ka shispa ka reservation cap urakam uloong baki day ban ailat ya ka expert committee ban ai jing mut kumno ban le lada don kanu ka jingpen kala ha ka jing bha kam khnang ban kiar na ka jing du nong bat jing e ya ki pat ba.
Clear all this doubt. Let the expert committee suggest and advise to us what is happening, right? So look, in view of the clear constitutional provision, in view of the clear Honorable Supreme Court judgment about ceiling of 50% ceiling, right, for any state. Look, I think that any changes may have a serious legal scrutiny in the eyes of the law.
Ka Seng Hill State People's Democratic Party kala ai jingmut ban bahak lang prapo na ka shispa ka kam na ka benta ki Khasi jaintia bat ki garo khnang ban khanglat ya ka jing ki nyau shiliang ya ka no ka jaj bin riu. Ka Seng kala IT ya ka ne ka jing ai jingmut sha ka expert committee halor ka reservation policy jong ka jela hinin ka sngi. Presiden ka HSPDP uba KP Pangniang uloong ba ka donkam man khmi benya ya ka reservation policy kabala pentrikam hakakat arterik ukela lengkot syajar khandai spa nyupuar na ka benta ka jingkiu jong baro hakabai dei bat ka jingyo kam yo jam. Uloong syu baka Seng ka sngo baka long ka bakongsan ban khmi benya biang sa shisin halor ka ne kaman.
Ni kan mau kat mina khnak di por ki officer ka ribu Bombay Khasi kidi ki Assamese ni Bengali any non Khasi der mo tak da humne galong very clearly hune inadequacy of presentation of these communities and the services on the atmosphere of Meghalaya no hani ka balang ka ba khamsa po ong with the maintenance of efficiency and administration the mo tak da is amba ni mo tak da mi ong ba 40% to bring healthy competition and efficiency in the administration of the government services. Kadina katay kabanta.
Ka Northeastern Hill University Students Union nehusu kaladap banjit ya kinong kitkam bathamai jongka na kabanta usnam arhajar arpusan hadian bala penbena ya result jong election na kabanta ki kam bapher hinin kasngi. Yak result lapin benar da returning officer jong ke election ka students body iba David Pongrob batla jed ya isandi sotun kum president bathamai. Habakren bat kilat pathai khubor u general secretary ba Shajit Thamai u tuhin ho s Kharsati uloong bakin le ban penbor ya kibor penyat ban penkela ya kerukom IMAX namar bakal rimpalat.
Marking system, it is indeed a very sorry state in our university. The marking system is outdated. The previous student body already pushed, but they were not able to bring fruit. But what we can do is we will also take up that matter in our tenure as well, and we will push the administration to revise and revamp the marking system. So
Ka jingwat ya ukhna ubakhan rusnem karta ubalangam jelob hawa umkra hakasngi ublei balala kadang yai beteng. Ka State Disaster Response Force bat ka Special Rescue Team kila beteng ya ka jingwat hadam umyam hinin kasngi kum juru hawa umkra bat suna pani. Public relation officer jong ka Directorate of Civil Defence and Home Guards uba bi mukhem ula pentip ba hadu menta lala ban yo tang ya kaskuti bat benrap ru ba ka jingwat kadang yai beteng. Ka Tanat Social Welfare jong ka jela ringkat bat ke Project Dream Drugs Reduction Elimination and Action Mission jong ka ha ringkat ka jingatray lang bat ke Indian Drug Users Forum bat Meghalaya Users Forum kila rakhe ya ke International Day persya ya ke jingdi bat shalan bean ya drug menta kesngi halor ka pangpadeng evidence is clear invest in prevention ha kene ke jingalang lawan baneshim menta the Commissioner and Secretary of Meghalaya Social Welfare u Pravin Bakshi u President Jongka Drug Users Forum u KP Izung bat u Menteri Ketenat Social Welfare iba Paul Lingdo kum u Kongsan.
As I now invite Mr. KP.
No amount of developmental activities, no amount of investment in tourism, no amount of investment in the road sector can yield the desired results if all our initiatives are towards facilitating and creating infrastructure for a generation of drug addicts and alcoholics. It would defeat the very purpose of even having a government and a system of governance in place.
Rakhia ke West Jante Hills District ya ke International Day Persha ya ke jingdi drug, but ke Pangpadang, the evidence is clear, invest in prevention, but las dang ya ke ne ke program ha District Library Auditorium, balapenya da ke District Social Welfare Office, but ke Jowai City YMCA. Hagani ke program ladon lang u Deputy Commissioner West Jante Hills District uba BS Solia kum Kongsan. Ki program ki kentop ya ka way balapanya da ka District Legal Service Authority bat ka Thomas Jones Senior College NSS Unit. Bat ka way pat la penlong ha Jowai Police Station yang Musiang balapanya da u Superintendent of Police bat du OC ka Jowai. US mana ha ringkat bat ka jingatri lang ka MCSWA.
Saudon ini bersumar untuk ini kiru disafa, bah new judi drugs, chemical drugs, or general to belong alcohol also. Drugs they belong very addictive.
Hadian ke jing sapriang jong ke video syak thambor ke wai ke kentai ha ki rinsan social media ka Director General of Police ikong Ida Shisha Nongrang ila pentip balala ban itu ya ki bedon kti ha ke jing thambor bat layo ban kem ya ki saungut. Ka DGP kala pentip ru ba ka ne ka jingja kala ja ha lower tek sagre ka badon ha Damal Asim Police Station Dadengre West Garo Hills. Kahe pulit kalaya thu bakin pensitom kat kum kaan ya ki bedon kti. UCM ka KHADC barim iba tenwel dekhar ila klat no ha ka yingsa ka jong i ha maulong shela hene ka step. UMDC ubala job Sausian Kenti nakaseng UDP na Shela constituency ila job ningkong e haus nem Hajar Sau. Iba dekhar ila syajid kum UCM haus nem Hajar khat kendai. Ila bat rubon kikam bakongsan ha ka council ki bakentop ya ka kam jong chairman bat ru kum unong yalam jong kaliang persya. UMDC kaseng UDP na soara iba Tito Starwell Khan ila penpau ya ka jing ngolem halor ka jing klat no jong UCM barim da ka bakin mau ya ki kam bala no senyang jong i ba khar sya kaseng bat ru kum UMDC
penpau ka jing susi ka baklau ka jing ru no ka jong i umi nong yalam jong i bat na pha ru ka khu bos ngolem sya ki bahiang sem ikon kikti ki ilok kunju bat baru ki badan ke sini dei bacan bat iba timba
Ikong DV Lingdo ibalong i Additional Deputy Commissioner Jongka West Jante Hills ila ay ka jingyaro ya baro ki nongyo training ban shna sinsar ki badon ya ka jingduna hakabor yo i nakabanta ka jingskem jingmut ka jongki wat lakim yo i henry ki lapat ban shna bat penmi ya usinsar ubabhatam. Ikong Lingdo iloong ba isngaw sarong ru ba ka ne ka district kalong ka baningkong e ban penlong ya kum ka ne ka program ha ka jala hapo ka MSSDS ila ay jingero ru ya ka jingtray shitom jong ka district skill Development Officer bat ya ka Society for Urban and Rural Empowerment nakabanta ka jingtray shitom ka jongki. Ka Society for Urban and Rural Empowerment ka donru ya ka jingtmu ban penlong shibun ki jing ai jing hikai da ka jing play perda ya ka jaka training bat thamai ha Jowai da ikong DV Lingdo. Mentapat ngenyepet ya ka jinglong jingman ka sun meneng hanong ba shilong. Ka jingshit kalong arpunyo 0.0 degree Celsius bat ka jing kriat kalong khat pra 0.r degree Celsius. Kajing sengam ka hau-hau kalong nyupuan nakashispa menstep bat kendai pusan nakashispa janmin. Kalak bandon kajing hap slap ka bamalu mala bat kajing tit uperthat habun kijaka. Shwaban poi syaka bukut jong ketup kubor ngin yapet biang sashisin yakimat bekongsan. Syajid berla sashisin kumulampang ke ying dorbar Lok Sabha. Yok ke sarkar jela ars pak keluar tingka nak bentar ke kampen he bat penhasurong. Maha murakam sang ma persya ia ke jumpen kela ia ke job reservation policy. Rakhi ke jela Meghalaya ia ke International Day ban persya ia ke jingdi drug bat ke project Dream. Bat pen inuksa ke West Giant Hills da ke jingdon ia ke nongsnag simsar ke keduna ia ke boryoi. Te parlok atung ila poi syaka bukut jong ketup kubor jengi mentaga janmit hadu bangin de syam yang bat pila syai kesngi kublai pi baro.
Chief Ministers of Assam, Manipur and Mizoram vow to curb drug abuse and illicit trafficking. And in ICC Men's T20 World Cup, Afghanistan to face South Africa in first semi-final, India to take on England in second semi-final.